iPhone 12 Pro Max. Finally wait is over, so excited for buy from Amazon. Important about this phone. 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. Ceramic shield, tougher than any smartphone glass. A14 Bionic chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Pro camera system with 12MP ultra-wide, wide and telephoto cameras, 5x optical zoom range, night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR3, Apple Pro RAW, 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. LiDAR Scanner for improved AR experiences, night mode portraits. 12MP true depth front camera with night mode, 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. Industry-leading IP68 water resistance. Supports MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging. iOS with redesigned widgets on the home screen, all new app library, app clips and more. Key features. Display 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with True Tone. Capacity 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB. Splash, water, and dust resistant all glass and surgical grade stainless steel design, water and dust resistant, rated IP68. Camera and video triple 12MP cameras with portrait mode, depth control, portrait lighting, smart HDR3, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR video up to 60 fps. Front camera 12MP true depth front camera with portrait mode, depth control, portrait lighting, and smart HDR3. Power and battery video playback up to 20 hours, video playback, streamed, up to 12 hours, audio playback up to 80 hours, 20 watts adapter or higher, sold separately, fast charge capable, up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes with 20 watts adapter or higher. In the box iPhone with iOS 14, USB-C to Lightning cable, documentation. Warranty 1-year manufacturer warranty for device and 6 months manufacturer warranty for in-box accessories including batteries from the date of purchase. Height 6.33 inches, 160.8 mm. Width 3.07 inches, 78.1 mm. Depth 0.29 inch, 7.4 mm. Weight 8.03 ounces, 228 grams. Purchase from below Amazon link and get discount. Please subscribe our channel, thank you.